For centuries, humanity looked upward and wondered the same question. Are we alone? Every civilization stared into the night sky searching for meaning among the stars. Ancient astronomers mapped the heavens. Scientists built telescopes powerful enough to peer beyond our solar system. And generation after generation, one dream remained unchanged. Find another world like Earth. Then everything changed. In 2016, astronomers announced the discovery of a planet orbiting the closest star to our Sun. A world called Proxima b. Located just 4.2 light-years away, Proxima b immediately became one of the most important planets ever discovered. Not because it was massive. Not because it was beautiful. But because it might be habitable. The planet circles a small red dwarf star known as Proxima Centauri, the nearest stellar neighbor to our solar system. At first glance, Proxima b seems surprisingly familiar. Scientists estimated it was rocky. Possibly similar in size to Earth. And most importantly, it orbited within the star's habitable zone, the region where temperatures may allow liquid water to exist. Water changes everything. On Earth, wherever water exists, life follows. From frozen Antarctic ice to volcanic vents hidden beneath the ocean floor, biology survives in places once believed impossible. So naturally, Proxima b captured humanity's imagination. Could life exist there too? But the deeper scientists looked, the stranger the planet became. Unlike Earth, which takes 365 days to orbit the Sun, Proxima b completes an entire orbit in just 11 days. That means the planet sits extremely close to its star. Dangerously close. And Proxima Centauri is no peaceful star. It is a red dwarf, smaller and dimmer than our Sun, but violently active. Massive stellar flares regularly erupt from its surface, blasting nearby space with intense radiation. Some eruptions are hundreds of times more powerful than solar storms experienced on Earth. If a human stood unprotected on Proxima b, the radiation could be catastrophic. Yet even that may not be the planet's strangest feature. Scientists believe Proxima b could be tidally locked. One side permanently faces the star. The other side remains trapped in eternal darkness. Imagine standing on a world where the sun never rises, or never sets. On the daylight side, temperatures may become brutally hot beneath constant red sunlight. On the night side, the landscape could be frozen in endless darkness colder than Antarctica. Between them lies a narrow region called the Terminator Zone, a twilight strip where heat and cold may balance just enough for liquid water to survive. A permanent sunset stretching across an entire planet. If life exists on Proxima b, this region may be its best chance. But observing such a distant world is incredibly difficult. Planets are tiny compared to the stars they orbit. Detecting one is like trying to spot a grain of dust beside a lighthouse from thousands of kilometers away. For decades, humanity lacked the technology to truly examine exoplanets. Then came a revolutionary instrument. The James Webb Space Telescope. With its massive gold mirror and extraordinary infrared vision, Webb opened a completely new era of astronomy. For the first time, scientists gained the ability to analyze the atmospheres of distant worlds. By studying tiny changes in starlight as planets pass in front of their stars, Webb can identify gases floating around alien worlds. Water vapor. Carbon dioxide. Methane. Even molecules potentially linked to biology. Suddenly, the search for life was no longer science fiction. It became science. And among all nearby worlds, Proxima b stood out as one of the most fascinating targets ever discovered. Because somewhere beneath the dim red glow of its star, another story may already be unfolding. A story humanity has waited thousands of years to hear. As telescopes became more powerful, strange discussions surrounding Proxima b began spreading across the internet. Reports mentioned unusual light patterns, mysterious emissions, even speculation about artificial illumination on the planet's dark side. The idea exploded across social media because it touched one of humanity's deepest hopes. What if another civilization exists just beyond our solar system? Could distant cities be glowing beneath alien skies? Could intelligent beings already be watching us? The possibility sounded extraordinary. But science demands caution. Astronomers know the universe often creates natural phenomena that appear mysterious at first glance. History has proven this many times before. In the 1960s, astronomers discovered strange repeating radio pulses from deep space. The signals were so unusual that scientists jokingly labeled them little green men. Eventually, they discovered the source. Pulsars. Rapidly spinning neutron stars. More recently, fast radio bursts triggered years of speculation before researchers developed possible natural explanations. Again and again, nature revealed itself to be stranger than imagination. And Proxima b may be no different. Scientists believe the planet's environment could generate extraordinary natural effects. Powerful magnetic storms. Massive auroras. Radiation interactions unlike anything seen on Earth. Charged particles crashing into atmospheric gases might create glowing emissions visible across enormous distances. Volcanic activity could also produce unusual heat signatures. Even clouds on a tidally locked world may behave in ways never observed before. In other words, strange does not automatically mean artificial. But the excitement surrounding Proxima b reveals something important. Humanity has entered a completely new age of exploration. For the first time in history, our technology is becoming powerful enough to directly study worlds orbiting other stars. Future observatories now under development may transform astronomy forever. Enormous ground-based telescopes equipped with mirrors larger than buildings will soon examine exoplanet atmospheres with astonishing precision. Scientists are also developing advanced systems called coronagraphs. These devices block overwhelming starlight, allowing hidden planets nearby to become visible. Another concept sounds almost futuristic. Starshades. Massive flower-shaped spacecraft designed to fly thousands of kilometers away from telescopes, blocking starlight before it even reaches the instruments. Together, these technologies could eventually allow scientists to observe alien worlds directly. Not as tiny dots, but as actual places. Researchers may someday map cloud systems on distant planets, track weather patterns, study oceans, detect seasonal changes, and perhaps identify chemical signatures associated with life itself. The implications are enormous. If even simple microbial life exists elsewhere, it would mean biology is not unique to Earth. And if intelligent life exists, then humanity is part of something far larger than we ever imagined. Still, Proxima b remains silent. No confirmed alien cities. No verified signals. No evidence of extraterrestrial civilizations. At least not yet. But silence does not mean emptiness. The cosmos is unimaginably vast. Our galaxy alone contains hundreds of billions of stars, and many likely host planets of their own. Somewhere out there, another world may already contain oceans, ecosystems, or even civilizations older than humanity itself. And perhaps one day, future telescopes will finally uncover the answer humanity has searched for across all of history. An answer hidden among the stars. Until then, Proxima b continues orbiting quietly around its dim red sun. A nearby world filled with mystery, waiting for us to understand it.